Hello everyone, I'm Akekomina Jim by name. I'm here to discuss the MM ideology video. What is MMM? MMM is not a bank. MMM is not an online business. MMM does not collect your money. MMM is community of where people help one another. MMM gives financial freedom to people to be independent. MMM gives you a platform which helps millions of participants across the world to connect to those who need help with those that are willing to provide help. Brief history of MMM. Sergey Mafrodi is the founder, leader of MMM social financial community. The history of MMM began back in 1989. Then in Moscow, a cooperative MMM was registered. In 1992, MMM was registered as a joint stock company, and in February 1994, it began to sell shares. MMM gives 100% using central accounts. Government and bank intervention kick against MMM operation in 1994 when MMM operates using a central account. MMM was revived in 2011 in a new dimension which kept the money on the participant's account directly and gave 30% reward. MMM Global was established in 2014 and till today MMM is spreading across the globe. MMM ideology. The modern world is bad. It is unhumane, unfair and unjust. It is the poor that is working for the rich. Ordinary people just serve them as attendants. Rich people versus poor people. The rich becomes richer and the poor becomes poorer. The questions are, what lies behind the social welfare? But why does the bankers live better than workers? Why does Wikata live better? Do they work harder? How do the bankers deceive people? The answer to this question is that people that are closer to the money have access to it and draw money the way they like, not only the federal government but also bankers. The alternative to the above unjust financial world is MMM. MMM, a fair financial community developed by Sergey Mafrodi, helps to fight the unfair financial system. The aim of MMM is to demolish unfair world and achieve financial freedom. How MMM works. MMM is a community of people providing help for each other financially and benevolently. In MMM, you don't need to have a contract or pledge your property. There are no leaders and debtors. MMM ideology are very simple. You provide financial assistance when you are able to provide it, and you get financial assistance when you need it. MMM participants give help by transferring the money to each other directly. Rules of MMM. In MMM, multiple accounts are prohibited. You must not cheat the system by making dummy accounts. All of the participants should be more cautious and obedient enough to obey the MMM ideology, which is helping each others. MMM ideology also states that the participants should participate only with their spare money. Benefits of MMM. Note, before you can benefit, you have to participate by registering on the website www.mm-office.net, which the requirements are names, email, mobile phone number, password, invite, i.e. your referral, guider, email and number, which you can get from your referral or choose from the list on the website. Submit when necessary information has been added. Now you can benefit. How? Log into your personal office, PO. Set up your account detail. On your PO, you will see big buttons, provided help and get help. MMM encourages your participants to actively develop and popularize the community. There are bonuses program. Referral bonus, you get 10% from all donation of the participants you invited. Manager's bonus, 5% from first level participants, 3% from the second level participants, 1% the third level, 0.5% the fourth level, 0.3% the fifth level, 0.1% the sixth level, 0.05% the seventh level, 0.03% the 8th level, 0.01% all the next levels. Registration bonus. After having registered and making the first donation, the participant receive a bonus in the amount of $20 if your donation is from $50 and $499 frozen for 2 weeks. $50 donation from $500 to $2,999 frozen for a month. $100 donation more than $300,000 frozen for a month. Bonus for a video about receiving donation. You get 5% of donation you got if people can see your face in the video. You will earn 3% of donation you got if people don't see your face in the video. Bonuses for a video about getting donation can be frozen for 2 weeks. So what are you waiting for, my brother and sister in the house? Please be part of the community today and gain financial freedom. Together we change the world. Thanks for listening.